Have you ever noticed your eyes feeling extra gritty or irritated, especially when you are indoors? You might think it is just a long day or screen time, but a common culprit often goes overlooked, right in your immediate environment. It is something many of us relying on for comfort, but it can unintentionally contribute to a discomfort. Yes, air conditioning absolutely affects your dry eyes. Air conditioning systems, while keeping us cool and comfortable, significantly reduce the humidity in the air. This lower humidity leads to increased evaporation of the tear film on the surface of your eyes, exacerbating dry eye symptoms and causing discomfort. The core mechanism here involves your tear film, which is a delicate layer of liquid protecting your eye's surface. It has 3 layers: oil, water, and mucus. Air conditioning directly impacts the water layer by drying out the surrounding air. When the air is drier, tears evaporate more quickly than your eyes can replenish them. This rapid evaporation disrupts the tear film's stability, leaving your eyes exposed, irritated, and feeling dry. The cooler temperatures from the air conditioner can also slow down the production of tears, further compounding the problem. To counteract these effects, there are several simple yet effective steps you can take. Position yourself away from direct airflow to avoid constant exposure to drying air currents. Consider using a humidifier in your home or office, especially if you spend many hours in an air-conditioned space, as this will add moisture back into the air. Regularly blink to help spread your natural tears across the eye's surface, and incorporate frequent breaks from screens, performing blinking exercises during these pauses. You can also proactively use artificial tears, often called lubricating eye drops, to supplement your natural tear film and provide relief. A key insight from a health specialist is that maintaining a healthy blink rate is crucial. The average person blinks about 15 to 20 times per minute, but this rate can drop dramatically to as low as 5 times per minute when concentrating on tasks like reading or using a computer. This reduced blink rate, combined with dry air from air conditioning, creates a perfect storm for dry symptoms. Choosing preservative-free artificial tears can also be a game changer for frequent users, as preservatives can sometimes irritate sensitive eyes over time. Understanding how air conditioning impacts your eye's delicate tear film empowers you to take control. By making small adjustments to your environment and daily habits, you can significantly reduce discomfort and protect the health of your eyes, ensuring they stay moisturized and comfortable even in cooled spaces.